In this video, I'll show you how to add checkbox in Notion table. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com on your browser and then sign into your account. So you can use your credentials on Notion, or you can also sign into your account using the social media account connected to your Notion account. Now, once you're signed in, head over into the workspace where you want to add the checkbox to, and then go ahead and scroll down into the table where you want to add the checkbox to. And then once you're in there, go ahead and enter slash to-do list. So this will allow you to summon that checkbox to your table or to your canvas. So in here, you can go ahead and add your to-do title. So you can actually create a checkbox by entering slash to-do list, or you can also just enter slash and then select to-do list from the drop down. So to-do list will allow you to easily track your task, progress, or status, especially useful for creators. This is actually a great way for users to build this for habit trackers or journals if you actually have one on Notion. So that is how you can basically add checkbox in Notion table. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.